Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to send stuff from PC to phone. Transferring files from PC to a phone allows you to move photos, videos, documents, and other data quickly. One of the easiest methods is to use a USB cable to create a direct connection between the devices. Once connected, you can copy and paste files just like moving files between folders on your computer. To begin, turn on your PC and unlock your phone. Connect your phone to the PC using a compatible USB cable. Wait for the devices to reorganize each other. Then swipe for the top left corner of the screen. On your phone, tap the USB notification that appears. Choose File Transfer or MTP Media Transfer Protocol mode. Open the File Explorer on your PC. Locate your phone under this PC or devices and drives. Double-click your phone to view its internal storage. Then click on Internal Storage. Open the folder where you want to save the files, such as downloads, documents, or pictures. On your PC, find the files you want to send. Click to select the files or folders you wish to transfer. Copy and paste or drag and drop the files into the phone's storage folder. Wait for the transfer process to finish completely and verify it is sent successfully. Safely disconnect the USB cable and verify that the files are available on your phone. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.